Welcome to Watch Beyond Imagination. Today we are catching down the 8 most beautiful places in the world. We publish new videos every day, so you should subscribe for more great content.
Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia is a living example of just how odd yet beautiful nature can be. It presents a fantasy-like landscape which looks like it's been plucked out of a fairy tale. Alien-like hills and boulders that seems as if they have been transported from another planet. The humans who once lived here used the area's soft stone to create underground shelters, leaving all kinds of weird architectural wonders in their wake. The lunar landscape is stunning on its own, but the countless hot air balloons that fill up the sky with shades of red, yellow, orange, and cream simply take its beauty to the next level. The Gorem Open Air Museum and its rock-cut churches and the subterranean wonders of Kaimakli are among the best things to see in the Cappadocia. The Fairy Pools, Scotland. You might suddenly start believing in fairies the moment your eyes fall on the fairy pool. Ethereal oasis that bewitches visitors with its crystal clear water, picture perfect scenery, and magical atmosphere. The waters are freezing, but if you are searching for wild swimming adventure, it truly doesn't get better than this. A mere walk around the area exploring aqua blue pools, each more appealing than the other, is sure to leave you in high spirits. The place also has its own infinity pool, bounded by a beautiful stone wall. Whitehaven Beach, Australia. Whitehaven Beach is one of the world's most unspoiled and beautiful beaches. It's easy to see why the Whitehaven Beach ranks amongst the most photographed beaches in the world. The magnificent 7-kilometer stretch of white sand that feels like your own private slice of heaven presents an aura of peace and serenity, letting you experience relaxation at its very best. The beach is accessible via boat from the Hamilton Island. To enjoy the best view of Whitehaven Beach, make your way to Tongue Point. Time your trip with a low tide and you will get to see a mesmerizing fusion of colors that always promises the grandest of views. Grand Canyon National Park, USA. The south rim of Grand Canyon National Park is the most visited rim. It's one of the most magical destinations on the planet. Irrespective of how much you read about the Grand Canyon, you are sure to end up being spellbound, for nothing prepares you for the magical side that this wonder has to offer. Considered to rank among one of the top 7 wonders of the world, this fascinating piece of art feels strikingly familiar, yet entirely unique. The South Rim is the most visited feature of the canyon. If you are after adventure and solitude, the North Rim is where you need to be. Milford Sound, New Zealand. Sydney Opera House, Waitomo Caves, Great Barrier Reef, Sydney Harbour Bridge. You have all kinds of attractions to keep you company while on tour to Australia and New Zealand. However, the moment of your visit Milford Sound, everything else pales in view. This 1692-meter high mountains is where you see all those Lord of the Rings fantasies come to life, and your first glimpse is likely to leave you with butterflies in your belly. No wonder that Milford Sound attracts more than 5 lakh visitors per year. You can visit Milford Sound on foot, via helicopter or via bus tours. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. No list of the most beautiful places in the world would ever be completed without mentioning Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. This mesmerizing park is the largest national park in the country and is most famous for its crystalline lakes that join one another through a series of cascades and waterfalls. You explore the park via 18 kilometers of wooden pathways and footbridges that snakes their way around the edges and across the waterfall to offer unparalleled views of the area. Clouds of colorful butterflies also keep you company throughout your hike. No wonder that the Plitvice Lakes manages to attract as many as 120,000 people per year. Rainbow Mountains, China. If you are in love with everything that the Grand Canyon represents and are closer to Asia than to North America, hop over to China to see the Rainbow Mountain. Considered to be as stunning as the Grand Canyon and one of the most beautiful places in all the China, the mountains present dramatic colors of maroon, magenta, yellows and green. Each of the places leave you speechless with their beauty, mystery and ingenuity, making you wonder just how many secrets this beautiful planet still has in store. Comment below your favorite place and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos.